Mathematics is not just a number, it's all about the pattern and beauty around us. Today, our student Samyukta will explain you the concept of symmetry using a drawing and real life example. Instead of just reading a textbook, our students explore the concept using a hands-on activity. Let us watch how a young mathematician explains the concept using a board and showing that math is a fun, creative and meaningful.
Hello everybody, this is BY Samyukta of grade 8. Today we'll explore symmetry with some examples on board. First, the term symmetry means something looks same on the both sides when divided. There are two types of symmetry. One is line symmetry and the other one is rotational symmetry. In a line symmetry, when we divide an object into two parts, it remains the same in the shape as well as the size. For example, the alphabet A. Look, when we divide it, it looks same on the both sides and it does not changes its shape, and the letter H. Let's move on to the next, rotational symmetry. In a rotational symmetry, here's a flower. Look, when we rotate this flower, it does not change its shape as well as the size. It remains the same when we rotate it. And one more example is that imagine that we are rotating this object and it does not change its shape as well as the size. Now look, let me draw half a butterfly. Imagine the other half. And now look, you imagine the same, right? If we divide this, it looks the same on the both sides, and this is the example of line symmetry. And now think about how symmetry is helpful in our day-to-day life. In the designing of logos, this part of symmetry is used, and in constructions of buildings and so on. So keep exploring the world for symmetry, and symmetry is everywhere around us, balancing and making things beautiful. Thank you.
Join us at Rishs International School, Vepur, Arcot for a vibrant experience.